Good morning everyone and welcome into today's video. It is Monday and I hope that you guys have a fantastic start to the week. In today's video we are going to be discussing Bitcoin because there has been some major news out. I did get my camera out because I was going to come on video this morning, but unfortunately I forgot to charge it. This weekend I ended up in the hospital because my niece got very sick, so I wasn't able to get a vlog out on Sunday. You guys know I love doing my Sunday vlogs, so apologies if you did miss that, but there was a family emergency, so I was there for my niece. But she is now well and recovering, so she had a bad asthma attack, but things are now looking good. So let's dive into a full update on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been selling off, and I do want to bring these charts up because this could be a potential buy the dip opportunity. But why has Bitcoin been selling off? So Elon Musk has tweeted, Bitcoin tumbles after Musk implies Tesla may sell cryptocurrency. So what on earth is this article about? Well, it says here that Elon Musk continued to whipsaw the price of Bitcoin, briefly setting it to the lowest since February after implying in a tweet exchange Sunday that Tesla may sell or has sold its cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin slid below 45 for the first time in almost 3 months after the billionaire owner of the electrical car maker seemed to agree with Twitter post that said Tesla should divest what at one point was a 1.5 billion stake in the largest cryptocurrency. It traded at 45,000 basically. So this is quite interesting news, and if we come onto Twitter we can see that he responded to this tweet which said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of the Bitcoin holdings with the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting. I wouldn't blame him, and he has tweeted back and said indeed, basically implying that he has sold his stake in Bitcoin. Whether that is the full amount we don't know, but like this article says, they are saying that he isn't going to sell any more. But guys, he could have already sold that now, so what is any more could be zero. We won't know until we have their next earnings out and we have to go through their balance sheet, and this is why there has been a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin. Now, if I come onto CoinMarketCap and we go to CoinMarket Bitcoin, then we can see, guys, that Bitcoin over the last 7 days is down 22%. So a major correction coming there into the price of Bitcoin. And again, in the last 24 hours, we are now down 8%, which is incredible because we once were up around that 66,000 mark, and we are now sitting at prices of 45,000. And this is why, guys, I say, you know, if you haven't invested in any of these cryptocurrencies, there's always going to be those major pullbacks, and again those major corrections where you can in fact buy the dip. You just have to sit on the side and be patient, and again you will be rewarded. And again, this is why I say if you can't stomach volatility, then obviously you shouldn't have any of your money tied up into these cryptocurrencies, because these cryptocurrencies, guys, are extremely volatile. As you can see from the chart, we have highs sometimes at 15-20% in a day, and again we can have upsides and downsides, and in a week over 20%. So if you are buying in fact at these prices at the high, then again you could now be down over 20 to 25%. So that's why obviously dollar cost averaging in over time, if you're in it for the long term, is the best option if you are in fact trading cryptocurrency. But you will always get those down and those swing days where you can get in on the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin at a very cheap price when you do see a buy the dip opportunity, if again you are investing in an asset like Bitcoin for the future, because you believe that Bitcoin is here to stay and it is going to be worth much more than 45,000 over the coming decade, which I really do believe it will. And once Bitcoin does become associated with renewable energies, guys, then this is going to be a great day, because a lot of crypto miners hopefully moving forward will start to produce more environmentally friendly ways to mine the assets of Bitcoin. And as that does start to ramp up in production, we are going to see a continuation and a push in the future into the price of Bitcoin, and we will be using this as a hedge against inflation moving forward. And again, it will become a digital gold. And you guys know that the other day we were sitting at a market cap of over $1 trillion. Now we have come back down again with a major correction there of over 15% on that share price. So that is absolutely fantastic. And like I said, we've dropped over 22% on the week. So that is some amazing news. If you were someone that is bullish on Bitcoin, you've been waiting for a buy the dip opportunity, this could in fact be your opportunity. And guys, while this stands, we have also seen a major sell-off in all of the other cryptocurrencies. If we look down the list, you can see that a lot of our plays are down 8 to 10% on the day, some even almost up near 13 or 14%. And these are the top 20 cryptocurrencies right now. VeChain, again, a very, very popular one, which I haven't spoken about, and that is down 11%. So again, this obviously relates to the fact that Elon Musk has tweeted, and with that selling pressure, because Bitcoin is the #1 asset right now for global cryptocurrencies, if Bitcoin is selling off, you can almost expect a guaranteed sell-off in the other major crypto assets. And Dogecoin today is in fact down almost 6%, and we are now sitting at that 50-cent mark. So again, if you are someone that is bullish on Dogecoin moving forward, then again, maybe this could be a small dip that you have been waiting for. And anywhere below that 45-cent mark may in fact be a nice opportunity. Again, if you are bullish on this in the short term moving forward, to take those profits once we do head back up, hopefully to around that 75-cent range. So what am I doing with this? Well, guys, I am in fact buying more Bitcoin, just a very, very small amount. Again, Bitcoin doesn't make up a major part of my portfolio, maybe about 2.5% of my overall stocks and crypto portfolio. So I do have a nice amount in there already. And again, what this allows me to do is just dollar cost average in with some of my latest pay from my recent paycheck. And again, if I just put in a few £100 there, and I just leave that in there for the long term, because I'm bullish on Bitcoin moving forward. And hopefully once we do start to see, you know, those renewable energies start to become more environmentally friendly, then we are going to see a pushback in this share price. Now, guys, it is worth noting that unfortunately, due to this tweet, we are going to see a lot of weakness in those crypto mining plays like Marathon Payment Group and, of course, Riot. And you guys know I'm very bullish on Mara moving forward. But we will see a lot of volatility and weakness, probably again in this play once the markets do open up in the next few hours. So it is worth noting that if you are someone that is in this for the short term, then it may be worth taking some losses. Again, none of this is financial advice because I'm not your financial advisor. But again, if you are in this for the long term, then potentially this could be a buy the dip opportunity, holding out for the long term years to come, then I'm sure you will be rewarded. But this is some obviously very interesting news about this tweet. And again, moving forward, we know where Bitcoin is trying to go. They are trying to be the digital gold, like I said, which would give them a market cap of over $10 trillion. So again, that is a 10x opportunity right now. So if you are someone that is going to be buying this and holding this potentially for 10 years, then again, this could just be a nice buy the dip opportunity if you are not worried about that short-term price fluctuation. So guys, I hope that you did find this inspiring. I hope you learned something new, and you can also learn why Bitcoin is selling off. I will be talking a little bit more about crypto on this channel, as I did recently do a poll on my YouTube story on the community posts, and you guys said that you would like to see again some more crypto plays, and you would also like to see maybe some how to make money online plays. So I will try my best to incorporate some of those videos moving forward onto this channel, because ultimately this channel is about making money, and I want you guys to have the most diverse portfolio possible, and again have the most passive income moving forward, whether you have a small side hustle that I can help with just some tips and tricks. Again, I have multiple businesses, or in fact whether you are investing and indulging in the crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, or in fact you are just buying those stocks long term and you're holding them in your portfolio for 5 to 10 years. But the majority of the content on this channel, guys, will always be about the stock market, because that is what I am here for, and that is what I created this channel for. And again, if you are someone that would like to join the private Patreon, where I do in fact give out my updates and buy and sell alerts weekly, then be sure to check out the link to the description below. And again, thank you to all of my Patreons that do support this, because again, without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do all of this here. So XRP is another one I'm watching, guys. Dogecoin, like I said, we just gave out those price predictions, and Cardano is going to be approaching that $10 mark, hopefully in the next few years ahead. So those are some price predictions there for some of the cryptocurrencies that I am watching. And again, that VeChain is another one to do some more research on. That is for another video, as this video is approaching that 9 to 10 minute mark. I probably will wrap things up here, but guys, I hope you have a fantastic week in the markets. Stay safe, and I will get some updates out on NEO, some of our favorite plays, because again, NEO has been selling off, and again, some of those other stocks that we are invested in. So guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.